Ever wondered how your phone instantly recognizes a song or how streaming services predict your next favorite track? It's not magic. It's AI at work, blending music, math, and computer science. Computers used to just store and play music, but now they can listen, analyze, and even create it. When we hear music, we sense rhythm, melody, and emotion. Computers, though, see music as data, waves turned into numbers. Through signal processing, sound waves are digitized into thousands of data points per second. This digital data lets computers measure pitch, volume, and timing, breaking music into mathematical components. With this foundation, AI can compare songs, identify instruments, and even distinguish a guitar from a piano. This ability to analyze music mathematically is what powers song recognition apps and music recommendations. The transformation from sound to data is the first step in making music understandable for AI. Once music is data, computers can find patterns, similarities, and unique features in any song. That's how AI can identify a tune or help compose something entirely new. The world of AI music starts with turning sound into numbers, and from there, the possibilities are endless. Computers are no longer just listeners, they're becoming musicians too. So, how do computers go from numbers to understanding music? The answer is machine learning. Instead of following strict rules, computers learn by example, just like showing a child many pictures of cats to teach what a cat is. In music, we feed AI thousands of labeled songs, happy, sad, energetic, and it finds patterns on its own. The more examples it gets, the better it predicts, learning from mistakes and improving over time. This is how streaming services recommend playlists, by analyzing your listening habits and matching them to millions of songs. Machine learning models spot similarities in tempo, instrumentation, and mood, making educated predictions about what you'll enjoy. It's not guesswork, it's pattern recognition at scale. The more data, the smarter the AI becomes. That's how your favorite playlist feels so perfectly tailored to you. Within machine learning, there are two main approaches: shallow learning and deep learning. Shallow learning relies on human experts to pick out key features, like tempo or key, for the computer to focus on. It's effective for simple tasks, like sorting songs by genre, but needs lots of human guidance. Deep learning, however, lets the computer figure out what matters by itself. Using artificial neural networks inspired by the brain, deep learning models analyze raw audio and discover patterns on their own. Each layer of the network learns more complex features, from simple sounds to full instruments and even musical styles. For example, a deep learning model can learn to recognize a guitar by building up from basic frequencies to chords. This self-learning ability makes deep learning powerful for complex music tasks. It uncovers subtle patterns humans might miss. That's why deep learning is behind today's most advanced music AI. It's the difference between following instructions and truly understanding music. Deep learning has revolutionized what AI can do with music. AI can now generate original compositions in the style of Bach or any artist, not by copying, but by learning patterns from vast libraries. It can also transcribe music, identifying every note and instrument, even in complex orchestral pieces. AI powers music information retrieval, tagging songs by genre, mood, or era, making massive libraries searchable. When you ask your phone, "What song is this?" AI analyzes a short audio clip, turns it into a spectrogram, and finds a match in seconds. Musicians use AI for real-time feedback, and producers use it to separate instruments from tracks. Tasks that once took hours now take minutes. AI tools can remove vocals, isolate bass lines, or remix songs with ease. These advances open creative doors for artists at every level. What once required a studio is now possible with a smart algorithm. AI is transforming both how we create and experience music. Despite its progress, AI still faces big challenges in music. It struggles to create full songs with meaningful structure, verses, choruses, and emotional arcs. AI-generated music can sound technically perfect, but often lacks the emotional depth of a human performance. Capturing true musicality, feel, groove, and cultural context is still beyond algorithms. The future lies in collaboration, AI as a creative partner, suggesting ideas and enhancing human artistry. Imagine AI harmonizing your melody or generating a drum beat that fits your style. These tools democratize music creation, letting anyone experiment and compose. For researchers, AI reveals patterns in music we never noticed before. As technology evolves, it's not about replacing musicians, but about new partnerships that push musical boundaries. The next era of music will blend human creativity with AI's precision, unlocking possibilities we're only beginning to imagine. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and comment for more videos.